Here's one of our resident parrots at the Hyatt. This is Nico. Hi, Nico. Hi, gorgeous bird. That's Nico. And then just across the way, we've got another buddy. Don't know his name, but he's awfully pretty. And these guys are just hanging out in the atrium of a hotel. We've got two others, but these are the two that are out right now. Aww. And then let's go out the back. She's just a cafe, coffee and goodies. This is a place where entertainment happens at night. Different Hawaiian venues. And then out the terrace, we have this gorgeous ocean in the back. We've got water lagoons and a lazy river, restaurants, pools, swings, hammocks, cabanas. Unbelievably gorgeous. Today's our last day, so just trying to capture a couple of highlights. We've really enjoyed our stay. Over here. So long Hyatt, here we come Hyena.